Welcome to Super Deals Alert. In today's video, we're excited to present 14 top-of-the-line power tools currently on sale. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you're always in the loop on the latest deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Win20V Max Cordless 18-gauge brad nailer with 2.0 a battery and charger. Number 2. DEWALT 20V Max XR Oscillating Toolkit, 3-speed, with blades, battery, and charger included. Number 3. DEWALT 20V Max XR Cutoff Tool, brushless and compact, bare tool only. Number 4. BOSCH CS 1015 amp circular saw 7-1/4" H blade 0 to 56 degree bevel capacity, 120 volt. Number 5. 1 2/4 inch SDS-Plus 13 amp heavy-duty rotary hammer drill with safety clutch for functions and variable speed, including chisels and drill bits. Number 6. Metabo HPT Brad Nailer Kit, Pro preferred brand of pneumatic nailers, 18 gauge, accepts 5/8 to 2-inch brad nails, ideal for trim work, furniture building and other finish applications. Number 7. DEWALT 20V Max XR Multi-Tool Kit, Oscillating Tool, 3-speed, quick blade change for multi-tool needs, cordless. Number 8. DEWALT Double Bevel Sliding Miter Saw, 12-inch, compound. Number 9. Works 20V Axis 2-in-1 Cordless Reciprocating Saw and Jigsaw, Orbital Cutting Reciprocating Saw, Pivoting Head Jigsaw Tool with Tool-Free Blade Change, PowerShare WX550L, battery and charger included. Number 10. Flex 24V Brushless Cordless 1/2 inch 750 in lbs torque 2-speed drill driver kit with 2.5 a lithium battery and 160W fast charger. Number 11. Greenworks 14.5 amp 18-inch corded electric chainsaw, model 20332 with Oregon bar and chain, automatic oiler, and tool-free chain tensioning. Number 12. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18V Lithium-ion Brushless Cordless 6-1/2-in circular saw. Number 13. DEWALT 20V Max SDS Rotary Hammer Drill, cordless, 3 application modes, bare tool only. Number 14. Works WG322 20V PowerShare 10-inch cordless chainsaw with auto tension. The links to these deals are in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Happy deals hunting!